Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll explain how you can make a simple search in Gmail to help you find any emails that you've been sent. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and I'm in my Gmail inbox. When you want to find an email that you've been sent in Gmail, your best friend is the Gmail search bar, found at the top of your inbox. If I move my mouse to the search bar and click into it, I can make some simple searches. So if I want to find an email sent by a particular person, all I need to do is type in the name of that person in the search box. If I press the return key, Gmail then displays every email I've ever received from that person. If you can only remember certain words in the email you were sent, you can also search just for these. When you're searching for a phrase, you should put the phrase you want to find inside of quotation marks. We do this so that Gmail knows we want to find only emails that have this specific phrase within it. If I press the return key on this search, you'll see that only emails with a specific phrase are shown. Sometimes it can be hard to narrow down a search, but Gmail helps you do this as well. If you can only remember one word from the email you were sent, search for that in the usual way, using the search bar. Obviously, I've received a lot of cat-related emails, but none of these are the email I'm looking for. To help me narrow down this search a bit further, you'll see that additional search options have appeared below the search bar. Gmail calls these search chips, and you can use them to add more information to your search to help Gmail find the email that you're searching for. So let's say I know that the email I'm looking for was sent to me by my friend, Trudy. To show only emails sent by her, I can click on the From search chip, and a list of all the people I've received emails from is shown. All I need to do now is scroll down until I find her name. And if I click on that, Gmail then shows only emails sent by Trudy with the word cat in them. I really must take that poor cat to the vet. Search in Gmail can be as simple or as complicated as you want to make it. If you want to continue learning about search in Gmail and how powerful it can be, check out the Woggle Guides shown above that explain how to do more complicated searches in Gmail. I hope you found this Woggle Guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe for free so that you can find out when new guides are available. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.